Good morning, class 7th students. We start our new chapters, chapter number 2 of your NCERT, Nutrition in Animals. Okay, I give you the overview of this chapter, what we will study in this chapter and what we will discuss in this chapter. So today we will discuss our first topic of this chapter, different ways of taking food. Our first topic is different ways of taking food. Okay, in this topic we will discuss about that what are the different ways in which the birds, animals and the humans take their food. So we will start this topic. You have to open your NCERT page number 11. We will read the NCERT chapter step by step. Okay, so first topic is different ways of taking food. So in this, the mode of taking food into the body varies in different organism, means there are the different ways to taking food of different organisms. Okay, different organisms take their food in different manners. Bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants. Okay, bees and hummingbird suck the nectar of the plant and they take their food from them. Insects of human, they also suck the skin of the humans. The mosquito sit on your body and they suck your blood. So this is the food of the mosquito. Your blood is the food of the mosquito. And many other animals feed on mother's milk. So many other animals, most of the animals are also depend on their mother's milk. Snake, like the python, swallow the animals they prey upon. Means the python or like a snake, they bite the peoples and on that they depend upon. Some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles floating nearby and feed upon them. Most of the aquatic animals means animals which live in the water, which live inside the water. They are depend on the tiny food particles which we throw in the water. They depend on that, or the beaches, the food are kept on the beaches or thrown by peoples on the beaches. They are depend on that. So the aquatic animals are completely depend on the food which we throw on the water, inside the water or on the beaches. Okay, so you have to read this topic. I will take your first unit test after completion of this topic. So the syllabus of your first unit test is chapter number 1, which is nutrition in plants, and the chapter number 2, which is nutrition in animals. After the completion of this chapter, your unit test 1 of science subject, I will take the unit test 1. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about the digestion in humans. So study the topic digestion in human, then we will discuss in the next class. So you have to read the NCERT chapters very carefully, because the 1 mark questions are come in between from the chapters only. So you have to read the chapter very carefully and understand the chapter, and also understand the chapter very carefully. Okay, thank you class.